Okay, we're in the engine bay of the MGB GT and we are going to be attempting to clean the inlet manifold using the laser cleaner to see what result we can get. This is my first test on the actual MG itself, so this could be quite interesting.
Sorry to use voiceover, but the laser is noisy and I am wearing a respirator. I have started using a moving circle with the power set to 30%. At this power, it's clearing the muck off quite nicely. Though the circle pattern is a little slow, I feel, so I do change the pattern.
Just take my respirator off. As you can see, just with the first initial blast at 30%, that is cleared up quite nicely. Quite liking the circle that I'm using. It's like pulses in and out. So as I do this, I'm just making sure that I keep the targeting laser in the right place, and you'll hear the intensity go up and down as I change my distance.
So what is happening is as the laser hits the surface, it imparts its energy into the dark oxide particles on the surface layer of the metal, and the particles absorb it and basically explode off, making the buzzing noise you hear. The surface beneath can't absorb and is lighter, so it reflects some of the laser energy. Different metals will react differently. For a first test in the engine bay, I am excited by the results, and to get back in here and finish the clean, in detail, not just a quick blast like today. Look at the brightening of the parts which have brass in like jewelry for the engine.
Okay, so I spent about 15 minutes, and as you can see, the manifold is starting to come up looking really nice. It's really taking it back, taking all that grime off and giving us a good surface that we could treat if we want to. Note the brass nuts have come up beautifully, and as we've passed over the exhaust, it's obviously taken off the top layer of paint and removed any rust that was on there, and the brass nuts, which are doubled on this one, are fine as well, which is great. Really pleased with how this is looking. It does put a bit of flotsam and jetsam over things, but it's just dust which we can remove later.